don't even know where to start. Today we're gonna be doing some simple upkeep, which entails basically giving myself a haircut and retwisting my fronts. I'm going to a party today, so sometimes you can make yourself look good on not only on a budget, but on some like quick. I'm one of those people that hair grow back really fast, and I'm not gonna put everything in the video. It's just show you my process and things. So I'm using my Ambius to cut, and my Manscaped to trim. First, I'm gonna shave this down. I'm gonna try to get it very low just to get my mustache in mind. That's the look I'm going for. Always brush while you're like cutting. Shave my hairline just down a little bit. I'm gonna shave this down. So now I'm gonna go in with my clippers. So I'm going with my clippers and just kind of sharpen it. I need my glasses for this. I like to keep my mustache thick, but I like to make it like sharp. I'll go with those pieces, so I'll cut that. I always cut the unibrow. I do the back sometimes, but today is not a day for the back, so. But I'm gonna wash my hair and retwist my fronts. But I gotta hurry up because I'm on time crunch. Important step, always Hit yourself with a little bit of DW40. I'm just kidding. Some rubbing alcohol. Got to. You got to. I know we hate it, but you got to. And yes, it's hot. Not that bad. Hair washed, face clean. You see how much better it looks after a wash? I had literally 0 time to not have to retwist my hair. So I immediately oil my scalp. And this is what I oil my scalp with, tea tree, because my dandruff is crazy. Alright, so I'm gonna be twisting my fronts. I'm late to work. So I'm gonna do the outfit recap when I get back from work. Okay, I'm back. This is how it looked. I just got back from work, so I'm a little sweaty, but this is how it looked in the shower. Wash my face and get dressed. Now it's time to wash my face. I use this. I don't know, I kind of been using this lately. It's like, it works. Use that to wipe my face, then you moisturize, and I use the Black Girl sunscreen. That shit always has like a little shine too. You always gotta get your neck, because your neck edges like your face.
On my body, I like to use oil.
I'm finna go to a day party, so it's like, I want a glove. I use this for my body. I'm like butt naked to make sure y'all can see. Need some more solution. Solution from London. When I went to London, CP. I know it seems like I'm doing a lot, but I'm gonna floss. Brush my teeth. Alright. Can't be in there with bad, bro. Never. The inside of your teeth, where we sting at. Especially the back ones. Now I have the pants I want to wear and the shoes. But I don't know if I want to do this shirt or a tank top. We'll see. This is the full look. I'll add some pictures if I take some, but I want to do this like scarf look, but I'm figuring it out, so you'll see if I post the pictures. But if you enjoyed this and watched this, definitely subscribe. Thank you for staying with me. You know, Pretty Boy Diaries, Pretty Boy Journals, Pretty Boy Chronicles. Stay tuned for the next one.